What was that?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरा नाम हसन जानी है और मैं रेहान स्कूल एफेड कैंपस का तालिब इल्म हूँ और आज हम एक न्यू कॉल के साथ आए हैं जिसपे मैंने आपको पिछले टास्क में बताया होगा जिसपे हमें कॉल में बात करनी होती है। तो आज हम एक न्यू पर्सनैलिटी के साथ आए हैं और हम जिसमें कॉल नया से बात करते हैं। तो चलिए हम आज शुरू के टास्क हम शुरू करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो जो आज का मेरा टॉपिक है ना वो है मेरा वाटर के बारे में, दी ओरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ एंड लिविंग। तो चलिए आज हम शुरू करते हैं। तो ओके, व्हाट मेक्स वाटर एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ?
That's a huge topic to dive into, but a great one. Basically, water is the ultimate solvent. It dissolves almost everything, which allows it to carry nutrients and oxygen to cells and flush out waste. Without that transport system, life as we know it just wouldn't have a way to function. Are you looking at this from a scientific angle or more of a philosophical one?
Okay. What is water called the origin of life?
That is one of the biggest questions humans have ever asked. Scientifically, it's the idea that life started from simple organic molecules.
How did water contribute to the formation of the first living organism?
Water was basically the stage where everything happened. It provided a stable environment where those simple molecules could bump into each other and react. Because water is so good at dissolving things, it allows those early chemical building blocks to move around and organize into more complex structures.
Why is water known as the universal solvent?
Actually, it is widely called the universal solvent. Though, to be precise, it can't dissolve everything, like oil or certain plastics. But for the stuff that actually makes life possible, it's the gold standard. What makes you ask? You seem really curious about, do you want to talk about the things water can't dissolve or something else entirely?
How much of the Earth's surface is covered by water?
About 71%. It's a massive amount, though most of it is salty ocean water. Does that seem like too much or just enough to you?
How does water support plant growth?
Plants basically use water as their delivery service. It carries minerals from the soil up through the roots to the leaves. Plus, it's a key ingredient for photosynthesis.
What role does water play in photosynthesis?
In photosynthesis, water is basically the electron donor. The plant splits the water molecules apart to get electrons, and as a byproduct of that process, it releases oxygen.
How does water help animals survive?
I'd love to explain that, but we're actually hitting our time limit for this session, and we'll be cut off in a minute. You can always call me back right away to keep this going. I'll be here. Bye for now.
What is the water cycle? What is the water cycle?
I wish I could dive into that, but the session is ending right now. Call me back in a second and we'll talk all about the water cycle. Bye.
Okay.
Welcome back.
What is the water cycle important of life?
It's basically nature's way of recycling. Without the water cycle, all the fresh water would just stay in the oceans and the land would dry up completely. Keeps water moving from the earth to the sky and back again, so plants, animals...
challenge will the world face regarding water? उम्मीद होगी आप सबको ये टास्क पसंद आया होगा। तो चलिए मिलते हैं हम अगले टास्क में। तो तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। कॉल एनी